This is my Model 7. This video is to try to show what happened the other day while I was sighting in. You can see serial number, maybe, the model, and you can see that the trigger is ribbed, which means that this is not supposed to be part of the current recall by Remington. Remington's had a problem with their triggers and their safety mechanism and have done a recall for both Model 700s and Model 7s. I'm going to load this with a Remington factory load. It's chambered in 7mm08. A little hard for me to close this. Gun's now on safe. And I'm going to use a glove to take the safety off because I cut myself the other day. This no finger on the trigger. Yes, it's been consistent with